All right, let's talk about Amazon, which is a really simple node application that showcases how you can interact with SQL database. In this case, we're using MySQL Workbench. Um, Here is the SQL seed file plus the schema actually because it's really simple. So I just put them together. Basically, as you can see from here, you just create a database and create the columns, put in data, just make up a bunch of them so that you have them. I've already uh, copy and paste this into my MySQL workbench that I already have the data. Let's just take a look at the application. You know, the first thing I would like to talk about is you can take a look at the table of the data that we have. As you can see, iPad, iPhone, melatonin, t-shirt, shampoo, conditioner, desk, chair, backpack. On the left, actually, you see this repetitive indexes because we're using console table, and just ignore them because we're using item ID as our primary key in the database. So once you go into the application, you're gonna be prompted with three, you know, choices. You can take a look. That's gonna just give you the data. You can buy something. Let's say you want to buy a t-shirt. How many? We have 98. So if you put in 100, it's gonna be invalid because we don't have 100. Sorry. But if you do that again and you say I want to buy one of them, that's gonna be $9.9 because yeah, t-shirt is 9.9. And now if you look at the data, it used to be 98 t-shirt and now we have 97 because you just bought one and we could just quit. So it's a really simple application. After you install the packages, you make the connection and you simply start it. So this start function, you will be prompted with, what action would you like to take? And the three choices, you've seen that. So take a look, buy something, and just quit. And depends on what you choose, it's gonna go into different functions. If you want to buy, if you want to see what is in stock, it's gonna go into display products, and here is the function. Is basically just running this command as the query and showing everything. As you can see, console table, that's what we're getting, that indexes. And if you choose buy a product, it's going to go into this buy a product function, and it's a little bit bigger. Basically, the first thing is you want to choose what you want to buy. It's going to give you a list and the amount. As you can see, we have the conditionals here so that if you want to buy 300 t-shirt but you only have 98 in stock, you can't because that's invalid. But if you want to buy one of them, then you can make a purchase, right? That's pretty much it. Yeah, if you just want to quit, that's just gonna end the connection. Yeah, it's a really simple application.